Today, we're taking a closer look at the Japanese Saw 210mm, a compact and highly efficient hand pruning saw that stands out with its sleek design and practical features. This 8.3-inch blade saw is engineered for smooth cutting and easy storage, making it a must-have tool for both gardening enthusiasts and professionals. One of the standout features of this saw is its folding design, which includes a safety lock for secure storage and a vinyl case for convenient carrying. This thoughtful design ensures the saw is compact and easy to transport, ideal for taking to different work sites or storing in your toolbox. The saw's blade is designed specifically for cutting live trees, which contain more moisture. To prevent jamming, the teeth are jagged and the bevels are slightly wider than those on standard wood saws. This allows for efficient cutting without the blade getting stuck, even in tougher, wetter wood. A special coating on the blade helps prevent rust and sticking, further extending the saw's lifespan and maintaining its cutting performance. This Japanese saw utilizes a pull-stroke cutting action, as opposed to the traditional European push saw. This design choice results in a thinner, more efficient blade that delivers a cleaner cut, making it highly effective for precise pruning tasks. With a total length of 18.9 inches when in use and 10.4 inches when folded, the saw is compact enough to handle with ease. Despite its size, it is incredibly lightweight at just 4.3 ounces, which adds to its portability and ease of use. Made in Japan, this high-speed steel blade ensures durability and sharpness, making it a reliable tool for your pruning needs. If you're looking for a top-quality, portable saw that combines precision, efficiency, and convenience, the Japanese Saw 210mm is an excellent choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.